Good morning, everybody. This is Chris.
And Joan
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, we're sitting on the NCL Prima in St. Normans. This is our Sunday, November 9th vlog. So let me tell you what we did on November 9th, Sunday. So we got up early. We had to bring Joan's sister to the airport, so we got up very early. We took her to the airport. We dropped her off at 7:30, and then we went and dropped off the rent-a-car. And then we sat around the airport for about 90 minutes waiting to get on GoPort to take the ride over to the cruise ship terminal at Port Canaveral. And then we got on GoPort, and it was about a 40-minute ride. And their first stop was the NCL Prima, which worked out well.
Yep. It was a good ride. That was a good thing to do.
Yeah, I recommend GoPort. If you're coming from Orlando, going to Port Canaveral, I definitely think I would recommend GoPort. When the bus stopped, they unloaded our bags. We made sure the porter got our bags. Joni tipped the guy. We got our carry-ons. We walked over to the cruise terminal, maybe a 2-3 minute walk. We took the elevator up. We got into the cruise terminal. We got into a long security line, which really wasn't bad. The security line wasn't too bad. And then we got into about a 30-minute line to get our cruise keys. And then after we got our keys, we got our embarkation photos. And by the time we got our embarkation photos done, we were able to walk right on board, or dance right on board, and we did a little of that. And then we kind of checked out the ship. We found our muster station. We got our man overboard muster completed by swiping our cards. And then we decided we were hungry, so we went to Hudson's. We had, what did I have? Joni and I both had chicken noodle soup as an appetizer. I had a Cobb salad for lunch, and Joni had blackened chicken.
Cajun chicken.
Blackened Cajun chicken. And she actually liked it. It came with bow ties and a cheese sauce. So, and then we had, Joni had a chocolate mousse, and I had some sherbet.
Yeah, that was very, very rich.
The chocolate mousse would have killed me. It was so rich and so tasty. After lunch, we kind of went walking around for a little while, and then at 2 we went up to the spa. We checked out the spa. They wouldn't let me film anything. So then Joni said, "Hey, the rooms are ready." So we went down to the room. We checked out our room, dropped off our bags. We kind of were laughing at what the room was like. It was not what we expected. It's not really smaller, but it seems smaller just by the layout.
So
but
check out that video of our room tour.
There is a room. There will be a room tour. It'll be 13106. You'll have to check that out. And then what did we do? And after we checked out the room, we toured the ship some more. We just were walking around. We really weren't doing anything. And then we went to the sail away party. Before the sail away party at 3 o'clock, we went looking for the Blue Horizon rocket launch, only to find out that they canceled it. But we did get a picture of it sitting on the launch pad, so that was kind of cool. And then we went to the sail away party. We watched the sail away party, and we sailed away. We watched the ship get underway and leave. And then we went back down to the room, and our bags happened to be there, so we unpacked our bags. And then we decided we were going to go get some dinner, and we decided to do the Commodore room for dinner. And let's see, what did we do? We had some bruschetta bread for an appetizer. Joni had baked ziti, and I had a New York steak. Steak. And then for dessert, we shared a fruit plate. And then after that,
some wine.
We had wine. We were drinking wine last night. Then after that, we went down to the local and we watched some of the Steeler Charger game, drinking wine. And then at 10:15, they had the adult comedy in the theater, so we went and watched that. And then after that, we decided it was 11:30, 11:15. We walked around, and it was about 11:15. We said, okay, we're done. We went and got another drink, took it to the room. Just chilled out in the room and went to bed because we had an early day today. Not a very early day. But an early day on Monday morning. So this is Chris.
And Joan.
Chris and Joan's Travels.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Follow us along. Check out our room tour and all of our other vlogs. All right. Bye for now.
Bye.